Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video I'm gonna review the Maybelline's the Nudes palette, and this is the one that I'm gonna review. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and also press that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. And I'm also going to show you how to do this look. I have achieved this look by using this palette, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you do like this video, then please give a thumbs up. And what is the best part in the video that you liked, please do comment. And having said that, let's start with the video. Maybelline has 4 different variants of the Nudes palette, and this is the Maybelline the Nudes palette. The others are the Blush Nudes, Rock Nudes, and also 24K Nudes. And this is the one that I'm gonna review today. This is the most popular eyeshadow palette from the Maybelline's, the Nudes one. And this is how the packaging looks. It's a plastic packaging, and this doesn't come with any outer cardboard box. And you can see that at the back of this palette there are also some instructions given on how you can use different eyeshadows. And I got this for rupees 875, and you get the quantity of 9 gram. But recently I checked on Nykaa, and this is now priced at rupees 905. This palette contains 12 shades, and this also comes with a brush applicator. The brush applicator comes with a sponge tip on one end and a brush on the other, and these are really good for applying shades on the inner corners of the eyes. As you can see that the shades are very light. It's they don't have that much that kind of bright colors. It's very nude, really good for everyday wear. If you are someone who loves nudes, wearing nudes or applying nude eyeshadows, then this is the palette that you should get. This palette contains 7 shimmer shades and 5 nude shades, and quite good. The pigmentation is not that good, I'll say. I'll also show you the swatches of all the shades, but just to show you guys, I'm gonna take this 2 shades and swatch it on my hand, and you can see that these are not that high pigmented. And I'm also gonna swatch this 2 black shades from here, or dark shades from this palette, and this is how the shades looks. Now this is all the swatches of the shades that are there in the palette, and I have swatched this according to the palette that I'm showing right now. As I said that these are not very highly pigmented, and you have to work quite hard while applying this on the eyes. Anyhow, now this is how the eyeshadow looks, and let's go on with the application. So hi there again. Please excuse my hair. It's a very bad hair day for me today. I've also not applied makeup, but yes, I have applied a primer and concealer on my eyes. And yeah, let's start. I'm gonna take this shade first. This is a very nice skin tone shade, and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyes just to give that really nice base. I also haven't applied any foundation on my face because this eyeshadow falls out very much while applying. So I make sure that first I apply the eyeshadow and then I do my other face makeup. Once this is done, I'm gonna take this shade from the palette and I'm gonna start applying this on my eyelids. I'm gonna first apply this on the outer corners of my eyelids, and then work it towards the inside of my eyelids. These eyeshadows are not very pigmented, so I had to go back again and again and again and again to get that nice pigmentation on my eyes. I really took a very long time to apply this eyeshadow, and as you can see that it doesn't actually look that much pigmented when I apply. Okay, next, taking that eyeshadow shade, I am gonna apply this on my eyelids again. So I'm gonna layering one after another. I first use a very light shade and then going on with a dark and darker, just building it up. You can also see that I have lots of fallout. And yeah, next I'm gonna take this shade from the palette. This is a gray shade, kind of a bit dark gray shade, so that I can give the depth to this look. So I'm first gonna start by applying on the outer corners as I did with the other eyeshadows, and just blending it towards the inwards. This eyeshadow palette is also really good for doing a smoky eye, but you cannot make a very black smoky eye with this one. You can just do a very subtle kind of smoky look, but I really don't like the fallout that this eyeshadow has. Next I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow shade from this palette, and taking a very nice quite hard brush, I'm gonna start by applying this on the outer corners. As you can see, I am first dabbing. I'm not applying, or I'm not actually rubbing it on my eyelids. I'm just dabbing it first, and then slowly I'm building up the shade. It is very important to just dab off the powder once you take the shade on the brush. And you can see that after dabbing also it has left so much of fallout from the eyeshadow, and I don't like this. That's the reason I said that I like doing my makeup after applying this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do the same on my other eye too. By the way, I think I didn't tell you, but yeah, I'm doing a smoky eye with this one. Taking another fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna take the same black shade, and then gonna just apply it really nicely on my eyelids. And by mixing this two eye shades that I showed just now, I'm gonna blend it, just blending it nicely so that no harsh edges are seen. And taking that shade again, I'm just gonna blend it really nicely so that it looks really blended well. I'm gonna take that shade again and just blend it really nicely. Next I'm gonna take these two shades from the palette, and I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line. Applying this eyeshadow is quite messy, so make sure that you wear your other makeup, your foundation and everything, after doing your eye makeup. And yeah, I'm gonna apply really nicely on my eyes now, and you can see that I have lots of fallout. And now I'm gonna do my other makeup, and then I'll be right back. And here I am, and this is how my look turned out to be. I really like my makeup now, after doing the other makeup, like wearing my foundation, wearing highlights. And I think this red lipstick just complements a very nice subtle smoky eye look, and absolutely love this look. So once the makeup is done, I'm gonna take the sponge tip of the brush that comes with the same palette, and I'm gonna take this golden shade from the palette, and I'm gonna apply this on my inner corners and my brow bone. And also I'm gonna take the same blending brush and just apply it nicely so that there are no harsh edges seen. Next I'm gonna take this shade from the palette. This is quite white, and though I have applied a highlighter, but there's no harm in applying extra highlight on your face. So I'm gonna apply this shade as an highlighter, and you can see how beautiful this looks. So guys, this is the final look that I have created using this palette. You can see that this is not very pigmented, not very black smoky eye, but really nice subtle kind of smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.